Captured Americans feared the prison ships most, where overcrowding, sickness, and neglect killed more than battle ever did. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. During the American Revolution, thousands of captured patriots didn't go to prisons on land, they were sent to floating prisons anchored in New York Harbor. Most prisoners were Continental soldiers, sailors, and privateers, along with civilians accused of aiding the rebellion. Old, rotting vessels, like the infamous HMS Jersey, were stripped of masts and packed far beyond capacity. Below decks were dark and airless. Prisoners slept chained together. Heat, cold, lice, and rats made survival a daily struggle. Food was scarce and spoiled. Fresh water was limited. Dysentery, smallpox, and typhus spread rapidly through the holds. Historians estimate over 11,000 Americans died on the prison ships, more than died in all Revolutionary War battles combined. Bodies were dumped ashore or buried in shallow graves. Many victims were never identified, lost to history and the harbor tides. The prison ships became symbols of suffering and hardened American resolve. Independence was no longer just political. It was survival.